Guide to writing a marketing plan. A marketing plan is a document that outlines a company's overall marketing strategy and tactics. Here is a basic guide to writing a marketing plan. Conduct market research. Gather information about your target market, competitors, and industry trends. This will help you understand your customers and create a plan that addresses their needs and wants. Define your target market. Identify the specific group of customers you want to reach with your marketing efforts. Set marketing goals. Determine what you want to achieve with your marketing efforts. Goals should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. Develop a unique selling proposition, USP. Your USP is what sets your product or service apart from your competition. It should be communicated in all of your marketing materials. Create a marketing budget. Determine how much money you will allocate to each marketing tactic and set a budget for the overall plan. Create a marketing mix. Develop a plan for how you will use the 4 Ps of marketing: product, price, place, promotion, to achieve your goals. Develop a timeline. Create a schedule for when specific tactics will be implemented and when results will be measured. Measure and evaluate. Track your progress and measure the results of your marketing efforts. Use this information to make adjustments to your plan as needed. It's important to remember that a marketing plan is not a set-it-and-forget-it document. It should be reviewed and updated regularly to ensure that it stays relevant and effective. Thanks for watching.